Make a fall sweatshirt with me. I love fall and maroon is one of my favorite colors, so the Siser Old Gold Glitter HTV will be perfect for my design. I'm using my Cricut to cut out my design on the glitter iron-on setting. Next, I am weeding my design. Don't forget to take out all the little pieces in between the letters. My last step is to transfer my weeded design onto my sweatshirt and heat at 320 degrees for 15 seconds. Peeling off the carrier sheet is my favorite part of all of this. I love how the gold looks on my sweatshirt and I can't wait to wear it out. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and follow us on social media and visit our website for everything heat transfer and more.